Welcome to Study Loop.
For this problem, on the topic of waves and sound, we are given the wave equation for a wave traveling along the x-axis in terms of x and t, where y is measured in meters, t is the time in seconds, and x is measured in meters as well. We want to calculate the speed of the wave. So we have y is equal to 0.17 times the sine of 8.2 pi t plus 0.54 pi x. Now we know the speed of the wave v is related to its wavelength and frequency by v is equal to f times lambda. And the mathematical description of this wave, we know it has a form y is equal to the amplitude times the sine of 2 pi times the frequency times t plus 2 pi times x over lambda. So by comparing the form of the equation by the given wave equation, we can find the speed of the wave as required. Now we know the dimensionless 2 pi f times t term in the equation corresponds to 8.2 pi times t. So in order for 8.2 pi t to be dimensionless, the units of the numerical factor 8.2 must be hertz. So we have, therefore, that 2 pi times f times t must equal to 8.2 hertz multiplied by pi times t. So we can see the pi and t cancels on both sides, and we are left with 2 times the frequency f must equal to 8.2 hertz, which means that the frequency f is equal to 8.2 divided by 2, which is 4.1 hertz. And similarly, the dimensionless term 2 pi x by lambda corresponds to 0.54 pi times x. So these two correspond, and hence we can find lambda. So we have 2 pi times x over lambda must equal to 0.54, and this is in units of per meter, times pi times x, which means that 2 over lambda, we see the pi x cancels on each side, 2 over lambda is equal to 0.54 per meter, which means then that lambda is equal to 2 divided by 0.54, which gives us the wavelength lambda to be 3.7 meters. Now we have the frequency of this wave as well as the wavelength lambda, and therefore we can find the speed of the wave. We know the speed of the wave v is equal to the frequency f times the wavelength lambda, and this is 4.1 hertz, the frequency, times the wavelength of 3.7 meters. This gives us the speed of the wave to be 15 meters per second.